Hello and welcome to this SOFOLK video. Many customers call us every day asking, how do I choose the right color for my renovation project? Here, I offer a step-by-step guide through the process of choosing your color so that you have every chance of making your project a success. By clicking on this tab, you can get an overview of all the colors offered by SOFOLK. First of all, here are 3 important things to know. Firstly, not all items are available in all colors. In fact, the choice of color available may vary depending on the item chosen. Secondly, under no circumstances should you choose your color by relying on your screen. You would be making a serious mistake, as your screen does not display reality. We'll see how to get round this. And one last finally. Depending on your choice of color, you may have to pay a little extra. I'll start by choosing an item. For this example, I'll choose a car leather renovation kit by clicking here. When I'm on the page for the item I've chosen, I select Choose a Color. Let's see what options are available. This is the page you get when all the options are available for the chosen item. We'll go through them one by one. The first option to consider is, I first need to receive the SOFOLK color chart. By choosing this option, you can finalize your order with the items or kits you have selected and benefit from free delivery of the color chart. In this case, it is the payment of the order that triggers the dispatch of the SOFOLK color chart to your home. When you receive it, you make your choice of color and then contact us again via your customer area to inform us of the color you have chosen. You will receive your order a few days later. This color chart contains 97 colors. You can get an overview by clicking here. Of these 97 colors, 22 are available from our permanent stock at no extra charge. The other colors are made to order within a few days and cost an extra €9.99. If you would like to receive the SOFOLK color chart without first placing an order, you can do so by clicking here on Order the Color Chart. It will be sent to you very quickly, within 24 hours. Second option, I choose my color now from a color chart. I click on this option. A palette of colors is displayed. These are the colors included in the price of your item. Any other color will incur an additional charge of €9.99, which we'll come back to later. These colors are also available immediately from stock, making them the quickest and cheapest option. Click here to access the full SOFOLK color chart. It contains the 22 colors we've just seen. However, in addition to the previous page, we also have the non-standard colors of this color chart. These are the colors from 22 to 97, for which there is an additional charge of €9.99. Very important. This color chart is used to carry over your choice if you have already received it in its physical version at your home. Don't try to choose your color using your screen if you haven't ordered it beforehand. We also offer other color charts on this page, so let's move on to the car manufacturer's color chart. First of all, it's important to note that this section will only be useful to you if you know the name of your color, as designated by the manufacturer. I strongly advise against trying to find your color by relying on the illustrations you see. So, if you know the name of your car color, then start by searching for your make in the list, then use the Search tab to find your color in the list. This list is extensive but not exhaustive, so if you can't find your color, it probably hasn't been listed yet. On the other hand, sometimes it's simply a problem of translation between 2 languages, often English or German. In any case, don't order unless you're sure you've identified your color correctly, especially as these items are made to order and cannot be returned or exchanged. If you have any problems, remember that we are always available to help you, via your customer area or even by telephone. I go back by clicking here, and there's still one color chart from which you can choose your color, the RAL color chart. As with the car leather color chart, don't rely on the illustrations to choose your color. This list of colors will only be useful if you already have a physical version of the color chart. It's a very common color chart that you're likely to already have at home. It has the advantage of being very exhaustive. This page can help you, for example, if you haven't found your color in our car manufacturer's color chart. Let's go back. Here we've gone through all the options. I'll click on back, and we'll look at the next method. I provide a sample. That's pretty clear. By choosing this option you ensure that you get the color that is closest to your original color. The minimum size required to make a copy of your color is 12 mm x 12 mm. The sample must be clean and perfectly clean. No seam holes in the middle, for example. Most of the time you won't find a place to take a sample without damaging your vehicle, but don't worry, there are usually other ways. Just send us a dismantled part of your car. Choose a small part like a headrest or armrest, for example. Make sure that there is at least one small area in good condition, so that our colorists can point their colorimetry equipment at it. Once you have paid for your order, you send your piece to the address indicated here. You send this parcel by your own means. Be sure to quote your order number. When we receive your sample, you will receive an email to inform you that we have received it. We will then produce your copy within a few days. Once your order has been completed, your car part is returned with the order. The return of your car part is included in the service up to 1 kilogram. Above this weight, a supplement may be applied to cover the cost of postage. Conversely, if you have sent a small leather sample rather than a car part, this sample will be archived on our premises. In this way, it will be possible for you to recommend this color in the future. Which brings me to the final color choice option. I choose the same colors as the previous command. It's easy here. To order the same color as a previous order, simply enter the order number in this space. For your information, the order number is shown on your bottle. We have now reviewed all the methods offered by SOFOLK for choosing the color for your renovation project. One last thing, remember that if you have any doubts, our advisors are on hand to answer all your questions. Use the contact form right here. Specify what you would like to write to us about, enter your email address, and leave this box empty if you have not yet placed an order. You can even leave photos of your project. An advisor will get back to you very quickly to guide you through the process and draw up your order form. Thank you for listening and see you soon, with SOFOLK.